In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for life organization. We'll build a simple, reliable system that keeps your tasks, goals, habits, projects, and notes in one place, so you always know what to do next. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and name it Life Organization System. This gives you a clean workspace where everything we create will live together neatly. Inside the new base, rename the first table to Tasks. Then add 4 more tables: Goals, Habits, Projects, and Notes. Think of each table as a different area of your life. Tasks are your action items. Goals define what you're aiming for. Habits track your routines. Projects group related tasks. And Notes hold quick thoughts or reference information. Let's set up the Tasks table. Create fields for task name as single line text. Status as a single select with to do, in progress, and done. Priority as a single select with low, medium, and high. Due date as a date field. Category as a single select with work, personal, health, and finance. And a completed checkbox. Single select fields keep your entries consistent, while due date and priority help you plan smartly. The completed checkbox makes it quick to mark something finished without changing other fields. Next, open the Goals table. Add goal name as single line text, area of life as a single select, target date as a date, and progress as a single select with not started, in progress, and completed. This lets you track both your target timeline and where you stand right now. In the Habits table, create habit name as single line text, frequency as a single select with daily and weekly, and a completed today checkbox. This makes it easy to build momentum and see your streaks. For the Projects table, add project name as single line text, status as a single select, start date and end date. Keep statuses simple and meaningful to you. Now link tasks to projects using a linked record field in the Tasks table. This connection ties each task to its bigger context, so nothing gets lost. If you need the website, there's a link at the top of the description so you can open Airtable and follow along. Create focused views like today for tasks, due today, this week for upcoming tasks, and completed for finished items. Views reduce clutter and keep your attention exactly where it should be. Use filters to show only certain categories or statuses, and sort by priority or due date to surface what matters most. Finally, update completed tasks daily, and review goals and projects weekly to keep everything aligned. That's how you can use Airtable to organize your life for personal use. Thanks for watching.